Catchy Tamil movie summary in English. Let's begin. The caretakers at an orphanage inform Amut, a young girl, that an important person will meet her the next day, and Amut waits anxiously. Meanwhile, Inspector Bijoy and his team catch a van smuggling 900 kilos of cocaine. The drugs and the criminals smuggling them are locked up at the commissioner's office. The syndicate's kingpin Adaklam, a dangerous smuggler in Trichy, Tamil Nadu, remains unknown. Adaklam's brother Anbu has plans to capture and kill the police officers involved in the bust and retrieve the smuggled drugs. The entire city's top-ranked police officials fall unconscious after consuming spiked alcohol at the IG's retirement party. However, Bijoy was on medication and had avoided the spiked drink. Bijoy attempts to save his colleagues without attracting the media attention at the insistence of the IG. Bijoy convinces Dilli, an ex-prisoner detained for looking suspicious and being the only one who can drive a truck, to help him save the officers' lives by threatening him that he would not let him meet his daughter Amut the following morning, with the help of a truck borrowed from Kamachi, a caterer present at the party. Dilli, Bijoy and Kamachi load the unconscious officers into the truck and try their best to get them to the hospital. Anbu announces a massive bounty for catching the police officers, and gangsters from Anbu's gangs try to hunt down Bijoy and his team. Pal Pandey, a corrupt cop, who was recruited by Stephen Raj, zonal head of Narcotics Division, pretends to be unconscious while giving information about the truck's location to the gangs. Bijoy orders Napoleon, a constable, and a group of college students, detained due to drunk driving, to close all the possible exits to the commissioner's office and try to keep Anbu's gangsters outside, preventing them from taking the drugs and freeing Adaklam's men. Dilli, Bijoy and Kamachi come across various gangs, but Dilli takes care of them brutally. As Napoleon starts getting nervous, Bijoy instructs him to negotiate a deal with the captured Adaklam's men. Napoleon makes one of the men call Anbu, who agrees to release the prisoners in exchange for his and the students' safety. Surprisingly, Anbu agrees. However, Bijoy realizes Adaklam himself is among the captured and instructs Napoleon to cancel the deal. Anbu climbs onto the roof and breaks into the building, but the students subdue him and tie him up. Dilli and Kamachi manage to transfer the unconscious officers to a school bus from the hospital and make their way to the commissioner's office. However, they stumble across a massive armed gang led by Tips, Anbu's right-hand man. Pal Pandey, pretending to have recovered from the effects of the alcohol, stabs Dilli in the back. Bijoy gets beaten up and Tips kills Ajaz Ahmad, who was Bijoy's mole in Adaklam's gang. Dilli manages to recover in the nick of time and finishes them off, while rescuing Bijoy and Kamachi. Meanwhile, Anbu's men manage to catch one of the students at the commissioner's office and kill him on Anbu's orders. An infuriated Napoleon bludgeons and renders Anbu unconscious with a fire extinguisher, to which Adaklam swears he will kill all of them. Dilli, Bijoy and Kamachi make it to the building. Dilli enters the building through a secret passage and sends the students through the tunnel, while he and Napoleon go to burn the cocaine. The duo finds a confiscated Montanandu minigun. Instead of just burning the drugs, Napoleon decides to eliminate Adaklam's gang to prevent them from ruining innocent children's lives. They reach the ground floor as the goons break in. Dilli uses the gun to kill Anbu's gang outside the building. The doctor resuscitates all the police officers and Stephen Raj gets arrested. Bijoy thanks Dilli and promises to give him and his daughter a good life. Nalini, Dilli's probation officer, brings Amut to the spot and they meet with tears of joy. Back in the prison cell, one of Adaklam's goons yells in anguish that a total stranger ruined their operation, but Adaklam responds that the man is no stranger and implies that he knows Dilli. Dilli, Amut and Kamachi are seen walking on the highway, intending to lead a new life.